In this video, we'll be showing you how to clean your Goblin GSV 301R 600 watt vacuum cleaner. Begin by pressing the button on the top of the unit labelled Push to remove the bin from the main unit. Slide the lever down to open the bin lid and empty the contents. Release the clip on the lid to remove it from the bin. Then, using the handle, twist the filter pod to the unlocked position and remove it from the bin. Turn the filter handle to the unlocked position and remove the filter. Clean the filter as necessary. Ensuring everything is dry, place the filter back into the cover and turn to the locked position. Place the filter pod back into the top of the bin and turn to the locked position. Clip the lid back onto the bin. Finally, attach the bin back onto the main unit, making sure it clicks fully into place. If you require further assistance, please call 0333 600 7700.